Talk 97, air-powered tools. Compressed air tools present many dangers. Operators must recognize and control these hazards to work safely. Even the air hoses are dangerous. A hose across a walkway can cause someone to trip. If a worker stumbles and pulls their hose, the tool can slip and cause injury. Hoses must be long enough for easy handling, but not so long that they create disorder. Whenever possible, suspend hoses in the air or store them on reels. If a hose must remain on the floor, cover it with a wooden board. This prevents crushing, damage, or tripping. Whipping hoses. Accidents happen when a hose disconnects and whips around. Prevent this by securing the coupling to the tool with a small chain. Safe practices with air tools. Use the correct tool for the job, and only within its rated capacity. Be familiar with the job and how the tool acts on the material. Install and use all guards as recommended by the manufacturer. Inspect and test the tool, hose, and fittings before use. Learn to recognize defects. If fixing a tool in place, make sure the mounting device is tight. Post warning signs. If chips, dust, or noise may affect others, do not use defective tools. Wait until they are repaired by a qualified person. Always wear protective equipment. Goggles, mask, helmet, gloves, shoes, hearing protection, apron, respirator. Keep hands and clothing away from moving parts. This is critical because air tools are difficult to guard. Daily use and responsibility. We use many compressed air tools on our projects. Each one has unique operating rules. You received training when you were assigned a tool. You were shown the correct way to operate it, and the problems that could occur. Some workers always follow the safe rules. Their work shows it. Others do not. So far, they may have been lucky. But luck is not a guarantee. An accident could happen anytime. It could injure you. It could even kill you. Final reminder. Over the years, serious accidents have occurred with air tools. All of them could have been avoided. From now on, before you use an air-powered tool, check the pressure, the speed, and the condition of the working part. Is it sharp? Is it safe? If we operate tools properly, they will not injure us.